Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video number 34. So yeah, I've got a lot going on in this video. I'm actually going to do my withdrawal in this video, guys, so check it out. Today we just got our daily profits. If you actually go down to the investments down below, I made about $35 and some cents. So anyways, guys, what we're going to do, we're going to combine our investments. We're going to do a withdrawal. So just bear with me here. I'm going to combine these two deposits here. And okay, guys, so just going to refresh the page. What that's going to do is, as you see, it put the money at the top here. So now I have $445.43 available to me. So first thing I got to do for withdrawal, I have to go to finance here, guys, go to exchange, and I have to do a conversion of the money here, guys. Let's see, we have 2764 dot, what was the rest of it here, 6719. There you go, 6719. I have to convert all this to USD, guys, so it'll be 444.56. So hit exchange on that. I refresh again. All right, let's take a look here. So as you see now, I have the full amount, 445.43, all in USD currency, which is what I need here, guys. So now we're going to do a withdrawal. So I got to go to finance, withdrawal, 445.43. There we go. Now, guys, I have to get my S wallet, ID. So I have to go here. Just bear with me here, guys. I have to go to, let's see, S wallet. There we go. And got to log in here, guys. There we go. I have to hit get the code. I'm now going to go to check my email. There's the code. There we go. I'd enter it in here. Paste it in here. Let's see here, guys. Go like this, sorry. Like that. Paste it in. There we go. Hit enter. So now I'm in. Here's the dashboard, guys. I have to go down to dollar amount because I want to put the money in here into my S wallet. So I have to copy that, go back to the back office, enter the USD code, paste it in there. There we go. See USD ending in 634. USD ending in 634. Okay, good. That's the right one. And there we go, guys. So now I'm going to have to hit withdrawal. Oh, sorry. I got to enter in the amount again. Oh, geez. There we go. 445.43. Okay. USD, S wallet. Okay, here we go, guys. So hit withdrawal. Got to enter in my code again. There's a lot of codes happening here, guys. 703.337. 703.337. Gonna hit confirm. And there we go, guys. So the application went through. See, and if you look up here, the balance is gone. So what that means, guys, is now I have to wait anywhere from 8 to 12 hours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a part 2 continuation of this video. And that way you guys could see the end result of me getting the money into my S wallet. Let me just refresh here. So I'll hit dashboard again. Actually, just refresh on this dashboard. See, the money's not here yet. The money will show up down here, guys, underneath dollar USD. But yeah, it takes anywhere up to 8 to 12 hours. So the request has gone through. I'm going to let about, I'm just actually just going to do it in the morning. I'll make a continuation video of this. So that concludes my 5-minute daily review video, guys. and I'll catch you in the part 2 section of the withdrawal request. All right, take care, and I'll chat with you guys in the next video. Hey, good morning, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. This is review video number 35. This is actually part 2 of my withdrawal request. And I woke up this morning here, guys, and look at this. It got approved, my withdrawal request. Withdrawal was approved. Withdrawal was made, so that was of the amount of 445. Let me see, it was 445. Well, I have 445.90 in here, guys. So altogether, it did go through. It's 445 something, and so it took 8 hours, guys. Because I put it through just after 8, and I got approved this morning sometime just after 4. I got the notification. So to finalize the withdrawal into my checking account, it's now into my S wallet in the back office here, guys. As you see, it's in the dollars currency. So I have to exchange this actually to Bitcoin. So I have to go here, go from the dollar amount to Bitcoin. I have to hit max, and then I have to do the exchange. There you go. So the exchange is now done. So if I go to my dashboard, I now have, see, I lost a few dollars here, like $3 or so. So it's now 442.56. It's in Bitcoin. So now what I have to do, guys, is send this off to my ShakePay account, which I can transfer to my checking account. So now I have to go over to ShakePay. I have to click on add funds. So you add funds to your ShakePay account. I got to go to Bitcoin. And I have to copy the Bitcoin address here. I have to click on copy. It says it's been copied. I have to go back to the S wallet. Click on send, because I want to send this money out. So I have to choose Bitcoin. I'm going to enter in my recipient's address here, guys, which is my ShakePay address. And then I have to do max, which is the maximum amount in Bitcoin that I want to send, that I have. And then from there, guys, I click on send. Actually, I want to make sure it's the same amount. So 0.0208. Yeah, that is it. Okay, guys. So again, click send, Bitcoin, enter in the recipient's address. And at that point, click max. And there we go, guys. I'm going to click on send. And confirmation code. Okay, I got another confirmation code sent to my email. Okay. Oh, sorry, I have to click get code. There we go. All right, here we go, guys. So it's 412244. 412244. Withdrawal request was sent. There we go, guys. So you click done. I know they said they could take up to 10 minutes, so let's see. I'm going to go back to the dashboard here. See, the money's all gone, guys. So eventually what should happen is the funds should show up here in my ShakePay account. They said it's going to take anywhere up to 10 minutes, so I'm going to have to pause this video and resume this in 10 minutes. Alright, guys, so I just got a notice through my email. The funds showed up into my ShakePay account from the S wallet. As you see, 0.0208 BTC, which comes out to $553.25 Canadian. So that has now been issued into my ShakePay account. So from that point, guys, now we're on to the next phase here. So what we got to do is we got to convert this Bitcoin money into regular Canadian dollars, which is my currency here in Canada. So we got to go buy and sell. We got to go Bitcoin to Canadian dollars. We got to hit max. So it'll come out to 546.79 Canadian. Hit continue here, guys. And yep, there we go. We got to hit confirm. There we go, guys. So as you see now, I have 546.70 Canadian. So from this point on, what we got to do now is we'll have to send this money. We got to click send. We got to do an interact e-transfer, because what I want to do is I want to send this money to my bank account. So you go interact e-transfer, guys. 546.70. Basically just hit max. And then you hit send. Yeah. Confirm your transaction. It's going to my email address. There's the security question. I'm going to copy the password so that way I can transfer it. Let's see here, guys. Copy. Oh, sorry. My mouse is acting all finicky here, guys. Copy, and then I'm going to hit send. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to make sure it's copied properly. Or actually, I'll just put it in a notepad. Yeah, it has. Okay, good. So now I'm going to hit send, guys. And I'm assuming it has been sent. Yeah, because see, my wallet is 0. Sweet. So now if I go to my email, there we go. Okay, so this will actually take a little while because it's going to send. I think it'll take up to about 30 minutes or so, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video again, and I'll resume once. Oh no, here we go. Actually, I won't have to pause it. There we go. Okay, good. So it says your Canadian dollars. You just sent this amount to this email address via Interact e-transfer using ShakePay. Note that, that it may take up to 1 hour for you to receive the email notification from Interact. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to have to pause this video, guys, and I'll resume the last step here, which will be the retrieval of the funds, switching over to my checking account. All right, guys, thanks for staying with me here. So I'll pause this now. All right, guys, I just got the email confirmation. As you see, the 546.70 went through. Just going to click on this. It'll take me to my bank. I'm going to log in. This is the transferring of funds to my checking account, guys. There we go. As you see, the money, 546.70. Oh wow, you can do a maximum of 25,000 per transaction. There we go. Okay, I'm going to enter the answer. I have it saved here. Security answer. I'm going to deposit into my checking account. There we go. Hit continue. Hit deposit money. And look at that, guys. 546.70 from ShakePay is deposited into my checking account. So that concludes the full process of depositing my funds that I've earned into my account, guys. So I appreciate you guys. Oh, sorry about that. I appreciate you guys for following me through this journey. And yeah, so that's from point A to point Z, you know what I'm saying? We got all the money that I earned into my checking account. Yeah.